Welcome to the world of winter fat biking. This is Whyte Pajakers, a growing Filipino fat biking group in Winnipeg headed by Eddie Revilla.
Yung Whyte Pajakers kasi sounds na Juan, parang si Juan sa atin, si Juan Tamad, Juan, simbolo ng Filipino. And then Pajakers, edi yung Carabo English natin ng pagbibisikleta. Pajakers, pajak, which is pedaling.
Fat biking is a type of cycling that uses bikes equipped with oversized tires, typically 3.8 to 5 inches wide, designed to float over snow, stand, and soft terrain.
Pagka malapad, parang katulad yun, mas maganda yung balance yun. Mas kumakapit ang gulo, madaling isipa.
Unlike traditional mountain bikes, fat bikes run at very low tire pressures. This creates a larger contact patch, giving you incredible traction and stability on snow-covered trails.
Sa Manitoba, napakaraming trails sa Manitoba. Ito ang best place for fat biking. Gradual lang ang kanyang mga climbs. So, all throughout ng winter, pwede mo siyang ma-enjoy pagpa-fat bike.
Whyte Pajakers have ridden trails all across Manitoba. And today marks their very first ride at FortWhyte Alive, one of the most accessible and beginner-friendly places to try fat biking. Located in Winnipeg, FortWhyte Alive offers groomed winter trails through forests, prairie landscapes, and around frozen lakes.
Ganda yung FortWhyte, groom siya, wide. Lahat ng skill pwede siya. Kahit anong skill, madaling magtipa.
Fat biking isn't about big tires and seeing trails. It's also about the right gear.
Ito yung base layer. Ang base layer ko yung ano yan. Tapos ito yung pang-absorb ng moisture, nung pawis. And then kasunod na ito. Ito lang naman yung balaklava para naman sa hangin. Ito yung regular helmet ko lang. Kasi hindi naman ganun kalamig ngayon. Just regular hiking shoes na ako. Winter shoes, winter boots. Pero meron akong ito. Yan o, siya yung regular lang.
And once you've gotten the right bike, the right trail, and the right clothing, there's one more thing that matters: endurance.
Ang mahalaga kasi yung pag may resistensya ka na, okay yun, magagamay mo siya kasi mabagal ang fat bike. Mabagal siya, mas hindi katulad ng mountain bike. Flowy siya. Pag tinipa mo siya, mabilis na tumatakbo ang bisikleta mo.
For Whyte Pajakers, fat biking is more than a sport. It's camaraderie, it's strength, it's clarity in the cold.
Ako yung camaraderie ng grupo. Yung samahan. Talagang maganda yung friendship. Maganda yung company. May enjoy ninyo.
Bukod sa samahan, yung exercise na rin at saka yung pag-enjoy sa weather.
Makita din ng mga friends namin sa ibang lugar na may magagawa dito sa Winnipeg.
May magagawa. Yun ang mahalaga.
Hindi boring.
Winter in Manitoba doesn't have to mean staying indoors. Fat biking turns snow into opportunity. So deflate those tires, bundle up, and we'll see you on the snow.
This is how we